Hakuna succession loitwa. Isingainvolve President Robert Mugabe. Nekuti wadzina Mwari une ndima inofana kupedzesa. I know President Robert Mugabe was saying, yeah, I don't want to impose on anyone, but you've got a responsibility as a citizen. Kurisasiyeshi niyo yitwa uripo. Kufama mdangu chijigiza mchizirane masoja. Hanzi bomba dairy farm. It will not work. It will not work in a good day. Actually, it will work against you. It will not work. Kufama mchinyapa. Illa garo wani. And this is Urara Mugabe ndagarorwa. Ndagarorwa ini. Nikuti we are being abused as Ghana. We are being abused. We are being abused every day. It will not work. It will not work. And then in the President Robert Mugabe iripiza. Unonerera.